Hi guys, your container girl is back. First, I need to say thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the feedback. We have received a lot of comments, a lot of response from you guys, and that is all we keep asking for, and we say thank you so much. So today the video is about the actual construction. We are through with metalworks. Now it's time to do other things, say staircase, deck, and hopefully the interiors. The interiors will be the last thing we will be tackling after we are done completely with the structure. Now behind me you see pallets. As you know, we are so big on recycled materials and sustainable design. So we will be using this pallets for our deck. At least that's what I know we will be using them for at the moment, but I think we will do a few other pieces within the container using these pallets. Now let me show you how far we have gone with the construction. We're using the pallets as steps to the house. That was the cheapest option we could come up with. This is part of the deck. We have started dismantling part of a number of those pallets I've just shown you, and they're not fixed yet. We've just placed them. That's where you see they're not even, but we've just placed them. This is just to show us how many of these pallets we might need to dismantle just for this one deck. The entrance to this container is a double leaf French steel casement door with grills. The reason why we picked this design is so we can maximize on natural lighting. This lower container only has one window, and it's in the living room area. We don't intend to insulate and pad this lower container, at least not yet. We want to see how cold it can get or how hot it can get before we can insulate it, if it's livable or not. After our small experiment, that's when, if it's necessary, that's when we will insulate and pad. But at the moment, we'll just spray paint another coat of white on this lower container. For the floor, we have not yet decided what we intend to finish it off with. If the floor was in perfect condition, we would have done epoxy. We would have just sanded it down and stained it, probably have an epoxy coat, say 2 coats of clear coat on top of this floor, but we have a number of dents in the floor, so we have to cover it. But chances are high we will end up doing tiling. That's going to be the kitchen area. We created the kitchen area by holding open the container doors, so we have 4 extra feet to add to our kitchen area. This means this unit will have a very big kitchen, which is what I wanted. We have a second door. This door has been created by using the same piece we cut out of that original container door to create a back door. After the kitchen, we have the staircase area. The space is 5 feet by 8 feet, and so it's a tiny space to fit your staircase, and that's why we decided to do this simple framework for our staircase. Of course, we're going to fit the staircase with steps. We were not going to get enough lighting with just these two windows, and so we decided to add another feature, and that is the translucent roofing. Let's go to our second container. Excuse the mess. Now we are in the second container, and just as we did the lower one, we also welded open the container doors to this unit to create the bathroom space. This is where we're going to fit our bathroom. If you have seen our past videos, then you have seen the tire poof, you have seen that woven top, and you have definitely seen the pallet couch. Notice the size of windows we have created in this unit. We are really taking advantage of natural lighting so that we only turn on our lights at night and not during the day. This door is an 8-foot wide door, and the whole of it opens. So you get to have your outdoor space joined to your indoor space when you open the whole of it. I've just opened 2 leaves. It's also a French door with 4 leaves. All that is outdoor sitting space. From the balcony, you have an amazing view. You can see Mombasa Road from here. The fresh air is amazing from this balcony. You get to see so much. You can also comfortably work from your balcony. Yeah, so that's it for the tour. I have shown you how it looks like. Now we have a blank canvas. We have so much we can do to this unit at this stage. I'm getting excited just by thinking about it, but then again I'm also getting scared because this is the most critical step after you've done your structure. If you don't get your finishings right and your space planning right, correcting it will be very expensive. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your feedback. Keep liking and sharing our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching this from YouTube. See you on the next video as usual.